Deviant Intent Entertainment presents a two-puff smoker release.
Always getting high, ain't got to lie. Always getting high, smoke, dope, choke. If you wonder why I'm always puffing on the marijuana, lady, ganja, fuck off if you don't even want to. Roll another joint, get high past the point of no return. Yeah, we gonna burn for the sins we earn. I thought you learned it ain't me I'm talking to, it is you. You fucking with the wrong fucking dude. I don't give a fuck what the fuck you gon' do. I need a blunt of you because I'm always getting high. Ain't got to lie. Always getting high. Smoke, dope, choke. If you wonder why I'm always puffing on the marijuana, lady, ganja, fuck off if you don't even want smoke. D-I-E.
Deviant Intent Entertainment. Music to die for, bitch.